Time to make Rakko, the brave little monster hunter who loves sweets. Please recommend Plan Action.
Start by pumping up a 216 mocha brown balloon and a 260 pale yellow balloon. With the pale yellow balloon, leave a 15 cm tail at the end. Tie the two balloons together and then tie a knot to secure it. With the brown balloon, first start off with a pinch twist to make one of the arms. With the pale yellow balloon, make an 8 cm bubble, and then on the brown balloon, make two 4 cm bubbles for the legs. With the pale yellow balloon, make another 8 cm bubble and tie it back to the other side. Then with the mocha brown balloon, make another pinch twist to make the other arm. Now you've made the body. Back to the pale yellow balloon, make a 10 cm bubble for the head, then another 10 cm bubble, bring it to the other side to form the other part of the head. Wrap the yellow balloon around the pinch twist a few times to secure it, then cut off the rest and tie a knot. Now with the mocha brown balloon, bring it above the head, squeeze out some air, make a pinch twist, squeeze out some air again, make another pinch twist, and squeeze out some air again. Then tie this back to the brown pinch twist you've made earlier. Now you make the two ears above the head. With the remainder of the balloon, cut it off, tie a knot, and wrap it around a few times to secure it. Now back to the legs, pinch it in the middle, twist it around a few times to secure it. Now pump up a 160 white balloon. First, tie on one of the pinch twists, make a 10 cm bubble, then tie it to the other arm. Make some room in between the pale yellow balloons to squeeze in the white balloon in the middle. This will be the cape. Now on the back side, first make a 4 cm bubble, then an 8 cm bubble, and then another 4 cm bubble, and bring it back to the arm. Now the back of the cape is done as well. With the remainder of the balloon, you can then pop it off, tie a knot, and wrap it around a few times. Now that the twisting part is done, adjust all the parts to make sure everything looks symmetrical. Now onto the drawing part. First, grab a black marker, then add some details on the eyes. Make sure to leave some room for the highlights on the eyes. And then the eyelashes, the nose, and the mouth as well. Don't forget all the details on the head. and on the side of the face too. Then also add some details on the cape and also on the body. With the pink marker, add some blush to the face. Then using the black marker again to add some more details. Then, with a white paint marker, add some highlights to the eyes. And now you're all done!
Well, I have a balloon, Rakko. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.